Okay, so hi everyone. So today I'm going to talk about the cutoff of NIT Trichy. Okay, that is Trichy. So the format is same. What I have discussed in the last three videos. Okay, so first I will discuss about the computer science. For computer science, other state general category, the opening rank for computer science is around 86, and it goes up to 1,509. Coming to the OBC NCL, its opening rank is 200. Okay, and it goes up to 429. Now coming to the SC, that is starting from 39 and goes to 268. For ST category, it's starting from 46 and goes to 51. Okay, so when you talk about home state quota for general category, it will start from 936 and goes up to 5164. And coming to the EWS, the category rank will be starting from 1032 and scores up to 3280. Same you can see for other categories like OBC, NC, and SC, Okay, so this is opening rank for opening rank for computer science, and this is first round opening rank, and this is sixth round closing rank. Okay, sixth round closing rank. Now coming to the architecture, you can see there is a different exam for architecture. So according to that, the opening and closing has been decided here. Now, for instrumental and control engineering, this is 4-year BTech course offered by NIT Trichy. So, coming to the home state for general category, starting from 7,605, it goes up to 15,486. For EWS category rank is 7,039, goes up to 11,000. Okay, 932. For OBC, NCL, SC, ST, you can see here that. And for other state open category, its opening rank is 4,688 and goes up to 14,240. For EWS category, you can see here that 1,822 and goes up to 2,495. Okay, so you can see the data here. I will also provide the link of this data into the description box. You can check there. Next is EC. For EC, for other state general category, opening rank is 1,797 and goes up to 4,642. Okay, for EWS category rank starting from 466 goes to 758. You can see OBC NCL 922, 1633, SC 293, 720, and ST 110 to 147. For home state general category, okay, 4,341 goes up to 7,153. For EWS category rank, 2,590 goes up to 3,744. And for OBC NCL, 1,574 goes up to 2,117. And similar, you can see the SC and ST category rank also. So these are the category rank, and this is all India rank for open category. Okay. Now coming to the triple branch, electrical and electronics engineering. For other state, opening rank is 3,618 goes up to 6,726. Okay. For EWS, 838 goes up to 1132. Okay. For ABCNCA, category rank is starting from 1,371 goes to 2,764. Okay. You can see the data for ST and ST category also. Now coming to the home state open category, starting from opening rank is for triple E branch 6,915 goes up to 9,902. Okay, for this triple E branch, or there is home state category. Okay, for EWS, the category rank is 4,664 goes to 7,039. Okay, you can see a similar trend for OBC, NCL, SC, ST category also. Now coming to the chemical branch, the open category rank opening from chemical branch is 12,050 goes up to 20,670. Okay, so someone has ranked around 20,000. Okay, so he or she can get chemical engineering branch in NIT Trichy if they belong from NIT belong from their home state quota. Okay, for other state open category 8,633 and goes up to 15,816. For EWS category rank is 1996 goes to 2615. Okay, and these are the category rank. You can see the data. For mechanical engineering, other state open category 4,000 is starting from 4,026. Okay, this is opening rank. Closing rank will be 10,751. So if someone whose rank lies between this, they will get mechanical engineering in the NIT Trichy. You can see the EWS, OBC, NCL, ST category also. For home state also, you can see that the opening rank is 3,744 goes to 16,238. Okay, for EWS category, this is category rank. So see, EWS category rank in NIT Trichy is going like in 1,000. Okay, for other, I have seen for other state, it is very low, but I don't know why the Trichy, for EWS category, the Trichy rank is very higher. Okay, so someone, this is category rank, so maybe around their all India rank will be around 40,000 or 50,000. Okay, so they can also get mechanical or civil engineering in NIT Trichy if they belong from the Tamil Nadu. Okay, so other state open category for civil branch 4,010, closing rank is 20,873. For EWS 2,516 goes to 3,672. For OBC, NCL, you can see SC, also. Okay, for home state 50,611 goes up to 33,703 for home state open category. EWS 16,000. See, EWS category rank is 16,000. It means that their general rank will be around 80,000, 80K or 90K. Okay, so if someone whose rank is around 80 or 90,000 and they belong from EWS category, and if they come into the category of homestead quota, then also they will get this civil engineering branch in NIT Trichy. Okay, now coming to the metallurgy, for metallurgy, you can see here that for EWS category is starting from 15,000 and goes up to 23,000. It means that there, if someone whose rank is 1 lakh, okay, 1 lakh, he or she may also get NIT Trichy metallurgical engineering if they come into the category of homestead quota. Okay, for open category homestead, it will be around 15,808 goes up to 32,132. Okay, you can see here that other state open category, or for other state irrespective of the homestead quota, they will get once their rank will be around 14,000 to 25,000. Okay, for EWS category, you can see for OBC NCL, SC and ST category also you can see here. For production engineering, you can see that for other state quota, the opening rank is around 14,000, closing rank will be around 26,000. Okay, for EWS category rank will be 3,309 goes up to 4,692. For OBC NCL, 622 to goes up to 9,477. Okay, for SC and ST category, also you can see the data. I will provide the link of this data into the description box. You can refer that. For homestead quota, it will be opening from 16,710 goes up to 40,458. Okay. For EWS category, see EWS category also 16,688 goes up to 24,177. It means that 80 or 90K all India rank. Okay. So their open rank will be around 80 to 90,000. Uh, they will also get NIT Trichy if they are in the come into the their homestead quota. Okay, for OBC NCL 6,325 goes up to 8,445. For ST and ST category, you can see. So this is about NIT Trichy. So once see the data, analyze the data. If you are want to get enrolled into this college, if your rank will be like in this range, you will definitely get this college. Okay, so comment your rank or which branch you are getting on the basis of this data. Okay, so if you want some other college opening and closing name, I will provide that. Just comment the college name into the comment box. Okay, so thank you so much for watching.